Can an LLC change name? Yes, an LLC can change its name, but it must be done through a formal process with the state where the LLC is registered. This usually involves filing an amendment to the Articles of Organization and paying a filing fee. Once approved, the LLC's new name becomes its official legal name. After the state approves the change, you'll also need to update your business licenses, permits, bank accounts, contracts, and tax records with the new name. If your LLC has employees, you'll need to notify the IRS and update payroll records as well. Another option is to keep your legal LLC name the same but file for a doing business as DBA name. This allows you to operate under a different brand name without changing your official LLC name. Zen Business can help you file the paperwork to change your LLC's name or register a DBA so you can operate under a new brand. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.